Can you hardwire the Swann Smart Doorbell so you don't have to keep recharging the device? So you can see here on the mountain wall bracket there is this small part here. This is where you can plug in the electrical cables to hardwire it. So assume the electrical cable is coming out from behind the wall here, and you want to connect it to this two contact point, and this will allow you to hardwire to the smart door camera, so you do not need to keep taking it down and recharge it. You do need to get an electrician to come and connect the cables, but once it is connected, you can mount it. So you can see at the back here there are electrical contact points which will allow the doorbell to recharge. And here is a electrical diagram that I found that you can use. So here is so that's the power supply coming out. So you need around 16 to 24 volt, and you need to also have a 10 ohm 10 watt resistor, and that connects down to this part here, as you can see. So I'm just going to zoom out a little bit so you can see the whole thing. There, that is what it looks like. Sorry for the reflections, but there it is. So that is the electrical diagrams. Once it is connected in that fashion, then you should be able to have your smart camera on the wire, so you don't have to keep recharging the battery. And there it is. And here is the 10 ohms 10 watt wire resistor cable I found. They're fairly cheap, just $1.80, or probably if you're in the US it's only $1. And once you wire through these cables, it is safe, and you can have your Swann Smart Doorbell basically run on the wire. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.